We are now ready to go for the second day. The second day school. I'm not sure. We're going to see another school. Yep. Another school for another day. Who are they? Maybe the owner of this school. Naka-white ako, tapos sila naka-yellow kasi hindi ko alam bakit ganun white. Ayan. What's up, people? Ano na nito ang school sa Ante today? Dito lang? Yay! Yay! Where? Can we go to Bangkok now? Yeah. Kasi we cannot do with them tomorrow. Ano pa? Is this close to Bangkok? No, I don't think so. Ang ngalan para What dun kay Tia. What dun kay Tia. What dun kay Tia. Yung mga kasama namin na doon. Ayan. What? Parang temple school, no? Kasi what? What dun kay Tia. Teacher Jenny! Yeah! Suway ma! Kaya pala pumunta tayo sa school dito kasi the math, English, science, Thai, 100% pass. Oh! Yes. 100% pass. Kaya pumunta kami dito mag-o-observe sa school nila. Galing, no? Pero, I'm sure, manonood na naman kami ng video ngayon. Yan. Wow! Big ang hall nila. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Parang na. Sa barangay. Saan na? Ayun. Food is life!
นะคะวันนี้ก็เรียนให้ทราบว่าโรงเรียนมีกิจกรรมหลายอย่างนะคะก็คุณครูของเราอาจจะมาต้อนรับไม่ได้ครบ 100% นะคะรวมทั้งนักเรียนของเราด้วยเพราะตอนนี้ก็กำลังเรียนนะคะแล้วก็มีกิจกรรมการแข่งขันที่เราต้องฝึกซ้อมนะคะแต่ว่าท่านมาไกลเราก็ยินดีมากแล้วก็
What school is this?
อนุบาลไม่ใช่อนุบาลวัดดอนโรงเรียนวัดดอนไก่เตี้ยค่ะ
Oh, good school? Number 1?
Yeah.
Thank you.
ห้องน้ำหญิงจะอยู่ด้านหน้าเวที ห้องน้ำชายจะอยู่ด้านหลังเวทีนะคะ ค่ะแล้วก็เข้ามาแล้วก็อ่านนะคะ
สวัสดีค่ะ หนูเด็กหญิงนรัฐารอดคง เป็นตัวแทนนักเรียนโรงเรียนวัดดอนไก่เตี้ยค่ะ ขอต้อนรับท่านผู้อำนวยการ และคณะคุณครูโรงเรียนอนุ บนราชธานีด้วยความยินดียิ่งค่ะ
ท่านผู้ฟังคะความสุขของพ่อแม่ คือการที่เห็นลูกมีความประพฤติดีและมีความสุขความเจริญ แต่ตรงกันข้ามกับหญิงชรานางไม่เคยมีความสุขเลย เพราะนางต้องทำงานตัวเป็นเกลียวทั้งยังถูกบุตรสาวดุว่าสารพัดแม่ทำงานดีๆสิงงเงื่อนอยู่นั่นแหละ ไม่ได้ดั่งใจเลย
ค
เป็นจะเป็นแอนเป็นที่เราสอบค่ะเพื่อก็เป็นแอนเส้นนะคะช่วยประจำห้องเนี่ยปัจจำห้องค่ะคือน้องจะอยู่ห้องมันจะมีอยู่แยกของน้องเนี่ย
Yeah, สวยมาก
Okay, so the first thing you do is, oh, never mind, don't think about this no more. 534.
Okay, sorry, excuse me,
So,
Teacher. My roommate. My partner. Yes. And another one. Sumaima. Doon kay the Amazon na. We stopped by at some place we don't know, and they have here chicken. So we're going to order food. Oh, okay. We're gonna tell them, teacher. We're going to tell them. You also have noodles. No, I want only. Wow, the rice has different colors. Why it has different color? Is it kao niao?
Your food allowance.
Kao niao and omorai and sticky rice. Which color you want, Ning? Herbs. Sorry. Which one you want?
Ito, Thai. Ano lang gusto ko?
Iyan sa'yo.
Pero gusto
Iyan sa'yo.
Pero gusto ko islang tani chicken. Ano ni yung purple ni? Inang
Herbs.
herb nga,
Herb fried chicken.
inang
with
daw
rice.
flower nga purple. Rice ka nang,
Bili kami ng but we're confused because it has 4 different kinds of rice. There's white, there's green, there's yellow, and there's purple. What is your favorite? Okay, I will just choose the classic one.
Ako na rin. Ay, gusto ko purple. And please,
Okay.
gusto ko Thai.
Order na ka. This is it. If you're not Thai and you don't know how to speak, bring this to the counter and show them the picture. That's how you order. That's how you order if you cannot speak Thai. You just point the picture. Cow. Kai. Samong kai. Cow. Samong kai. Cow. Samong. Sapo. Kai. Cow. Sapo. Kai. Okay. Kapun ka, teacher. Ulo. Oo.
Ay, sticky rice ka din na puro eh.
Ha?
Sticky rice ito.
Oh, I think it's sticky rice.
Sticky rice to. May...
Bye-bye. Kiss mommy, babe. Bye-bye.
60 ba?
Our food is here. This is the food. This is 80 baht. Huh? Bakit hindi na yun? This is 80 baht. 80 baht. Ay, hindi na kayo nagkaunyaw?
Wala, kung matagitod lang kung isa na doon ang green. Yung ka, minisip mo.
ready sa hotel.
It's okay.
Hi, teacher gal! Ako na ang toilet. Okay. So, now I'm confused. Where is it? So guys, it's very funny because I first got nakuha ko na yung susi ko. May basa pa sa room. Tapos, pag-open ko ng bag, wala pala yung camera ko. Nawala yung camera. Hi! Yeah. Can I have a key first? Thank you. Oh, can I have your... Do you have a line or something? So that I could contact you if you need me to?
Okay.
Alright? Wait. Okay. Teacher. Alright, Teacher Y. Okay. So yeah. I was running and it's very dark. It's very dark. Yes, so we are here now sa room. It was very funny. I'm very tired because I was so scared. Natakot ako. Nahandlo ko kay akong camera nabilin sa bus. Abi na ako, pag-open ako sa kong bag, abi na ako, naandri akong camera. Sa dihang, wala diri akong camera no. Natarantar ko. Tarantar ko tapos tumakbo ako. Imagine I ran 3 floors back and forth. So this is our room, like that one. This is my roommate's and this is mine, and this is the very important one. We have our room here. Ta-da! It's so beautiful. Yay, it's so beautiful, my God. That's our boss in the middle. We are overlooking the ocean. That's beautiful. So now I need to wipe off my camera because it has water because of the rain. I will wipe you off. Right. It's clean now. Oh my gosh. Init, grabe. Ang init. Sobra. So, ayan. Sa wakas, nag-travel nag-travel pala kami ng ilang hours galing doon sa school na what doon kay Kia. Dapat ewan na long school yun, basta dun sa previous school. Kaya ngayon I'm so excited now we are here in the room finally so that I could rest, but I think I will just rest for a while and then go out and have a picture because the view outside is fantastic. It's very beautiful. So yeah, okay.